In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is ready, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually located in the main toolbar above the chart area. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Indicators panel, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools and studies to your chart. When the Indicators panel pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This search field is how you quickly find the exact indicator you're looking for, instead of scrolling through the entire list. Now, in that search bar, start typing Volume Accumulation Percentage. As you type, TradingView will filter the results below in real time. You should see the Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator appear in the list of available options. Make sure you select the one that matches that exact name, so you're adding the correct indicator to your chart. Once you see it, click on the indicator name. TradingView will automatically apply it to your chart. Depending on how your layout is configured, it will usually appear in a separate pane below the price chart, showing you how volume is accumulating over time as a percentage. Take a moment to hover over the indicator area and confirm it's visible and updating with each new candle. If you're using TradingView Pro, you'll have a smoother experience with multiple indicators, more layouts, and additional customization options. If you're not on Pro yet and you want to unlock those extra features, feel free to use my affiliate link in the video description. That link will take you directly to the TradingView Pro sign-up page, and it's a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you. From here, you can fine-tune the way the Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator looks and behaves by opening its settings, adjusting colors, line thickness, or any inputs that fit your trading style. And that's all you need to do to get this indicator up and running on your TradingView Pro charts.